my fingers.
It looks like something pooped on Aria's hand. Peanut butter.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I'm in the car with my girl Aria.
Hi guys.
Y'all, I'm excited about this week's video. We're on our way to Crumbl Cookies right now.
Yes.
If you don't know what Crumbl Cookies is, you've probably been living under a rock because I feel like it's the most trendy cookie shop right now in the country. They're so amazing. I'm obsessed.
And they have new flavors every single week, and so that's what we're about to go and try.
I just looked up the flavors for this week and they look so good. So we are meeting the boys. Cody and Janson are on their way. We're gonna try these Crumbl Cookies, do a review. Oh, look who it is! They're right in front of us! We found them!
We're filming too! Anyways, see you Crumbl.
Target acquired. Oh my gosh. Yes, please. The boys have arrived. You guys excited about this?
Yes. So excited.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Janson, the honey bun. That's your dad's favorite thing.
Oh, that reminds me of bird trips with my dad. Immediately, I just have this like sense of like the dogs are in the back and we're going bird hunting.
That one actually looks really good.
That's
Oh my gosh. Okay, we got the cookies. Break them out. Okay, y'all, here's what we're working with. This week's flavors, we have birthday confetti cake, we got honey bun, we got the Buckeye, peanut butter brownie. I'm so excited for that one.
Yeah.
Milk chocolate chip, orange creamsicle, questionable, and sugar cookie.
Yeah.
We should have grabbed napkins.
Peace.
We've never done this before.
Cheers,
Cheers.
cheers.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Whoa.
So good.
This is forever my favorite flavor. Nothing is better. It's so buttery.
Gooey and just like
Sometimes the frosting's too much, but this frosting is like the perfect.
No, that frosting,
Right.
the cookie's
Oh,
thick.
he destroyed the
You guys
cookie!
are-
Literally destroyed it! What a waste of a beautiful cookie. Okay, we're going for the orange
Oh, it's
dreamsicle
cold.
next. Here's the orange creamsicle cookie. It's very orange if you can't tell.
anything that color just looks like it's probably not.
This cookie is chilled.
This much food coloring isn't supposed to be the best for you, but who cares?
Cheers.
Well, no. Absolutely not.
Didn't take me but half a second to know I don't like it.
You know what?
It tastes like a dreamsicle.
It tastes like sunscreen.
Well, it's supposed to be a dreamsicle cookie.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it tastes like a dreamsicle.
No, it tastes like a push pop.
Oh, like, I don't really want to swallow it.
I'm getting the sunscreen flavor.
The sunscreen, right?
Oh,
Next! Look at my
You
hand.
want to
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you contestant number 3. This is the milk chocolate chip cookie. This cookie, they switch up their flavors every single week, but every week they always have the chocolate chip. So this is one, it's a trusty flavor. You can always
Do we think
count
it's
on
gonna be
it.
better than like grandma's? You know, just to, like if grandma made some cookies.
No, it's never
Never.
better.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm about to say.
Unless your grandma can't cook.
Take a bite.
I mean, we did it on the other two.
Oh, it's warm.
Those are thick chocolate chips.
Melted in the mouth.
This is
Immediately
like
gone.
definitely melty. What's your
Enjoy
favorite flavor of cookie?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip. Mainly because my mom makes the best.
My mom,
bag it up,
it's
bag
like
it
a
up.
family recipe. She does these sugar cookies every Christmas, so I think we should try the sugar next. See if they beat my mom's.
I like that.
Okay, we're going in for the sugar cookie next. This is classic. They have this one a lot, actually. I think it's one of the standard ones with the milk chocolate chip. This one's
I'm not a
also
fan.
cold. Cody doesn't like the chilled. Comment down below, do you like chilled cookies or warm cookies? I'm very curious to see which team you're on. Cody's on team chill. I mean,
No,
Cody's on team
I'm
warm.
on team very
Yeah.
warm.
I think I'm on both teams. Is that something I can be?
You know, there's no judgment here, but I'm
Yeah,
totally
we just
judging
like
that.
cookies
Yeah,
here.
judgment is already
Okay,
started.
it's got a nice, the ratio of cookie to frosting
It's
is
too pink for
really
me.
nice.
I'm
They
over the
definitely
pink
don't teach you
frostings.
on the frosting.
Dang.
The frosting could have been a different color.
I already know I'm not gonna like it, but let's do it.
No,
Cody,
we cannot go into this negative
Don't
mindset.
judge a cookie by its frosting.
This is great.
You can't beat my mom's
Way more
homemade
chill than I
frosting.
expected.
Cheers!
It's better than the orange one.
For some reason, I feel like everybody that makes sugar cookies puts almond extract in it, and you can really taste
Yeah,
it.
what's in
Oh,
that
yeah.
frosting?
Can you
No.
taste that?
You know those like cookies that you can get at like Walmart? They're like the really fluffy ones, but they're like super airy and they almost like gag you if you have too big of a
Loft
piece.
Yeah.
That's what I felt with that one. I was
The
like,
Loft House cookies
Yeah, I could not eat any more of that.
like they're good.
in the last 5
Usually
minutes.
You know, like when you eat sushi and you break it up with ginger?
We need a palate cleanser. Okay, what's
Never.
next? Honey bun?
Ooh, I kind of want to leave honey bun for last.
Janson has like a
gonna
sentimental
get some
connection
fresh air
and
really
attachment to the honey bun.
All right, so
Hail
dog
some Cheez-Its
turd.
in
The only
it.
reason I
Okay.
say dog turd is because that's what it looks like on
But
top.
see, it's
Yeah, a
peanut
dog
butter.
turd. So this is supposed to be like the Ohio Buckeyes.
It looks like a
Have you
dog.
ever had a Buckeye?
No.
Oh, I've heard.
They've never had Buckeyes, y'all. We're gonna have to do
Texas.
Buckeyes for my next video. This is inspired by the Buckeye. We got a chocolate cookie with a peanut butter blob on the top and a little chocolate ganache blob.
See, that cookie looks amazing,
It
even
looks-
without the peanut butter.
This is not cute.
Oh,
It tastes like a brownie.
Peanut butter just is such a flavor ruiner. Like, I like peanut butter, but if it's on something, it takes over.
I
Well,
really
I was
like
gonna say,
this one.
you know, when
Sounds good.
peanut butter gets to the roof of your mouth,
That's all you, yeah.
That's all you got.
Yeah.
My nice bookie. I love this one.
It's actually really good.
I feel like a child.
But the peanut butter is very thick on top. So then it sticks on the roof of your mouth.
It's just like a brownie,
it only
honestly.
tastes like peanut butter.
Y'all, it is all over my
It looks like
fingers.
something pooped on Aria's hand. Peanut butter.
Did we save the best for last?
I sure hope so.
Janson has
Are
high
you, like,
expectations.
swarm
Okay, check
cookie
it out.
center?
Let's get a
Don't drop
close up.
it. Please don't drop it.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's Beauty and she's Grace. She's the honey bun Crumbl cookie.
All right.
Cheers. It's the last one.
Here we go. Wait, I did not expect to like this as much as I do.
I think that's the winner, y'all.
Oh my gosh,
That's my winner.
that's
Yep,
so
it.
nice. And you know why? It's because sometimes
Like a
their
snickerdoodle.
cookies are really big and they're really intense with the flavors, but this is like so subtle
Yeah.
that it's not too overpowering. It's very soft, it's very buttery, and like a little hint of cinnamon, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it's not an overwhelming sense of.
No, I
Yeah.
mean, wow.
Oh, Cody, what do you think? What was your top? What was your least?
Top, I'm gonna say honey bun. Least, this is a curveball because I know at first I thought it was gonna be the orange. The chilled sugar, and I like sugar cookies, but it was just too much. Like, I would probably throw up after eating that full cookie if I would eat the full thing.
All right, Janson, top and bottom.
Yeah, I'm going definitely honey bun for the top. Orange sickle, dreamsicle, just not my go-to, you know?
My top is honey bun with a close tie with that peanut butter buckeye because whew, that was good, but it was too rich for me. My least was orange creamsicle. I can't do weird colored foods. Like if you're gonna do orange creamsicle, I've made orange creamsicle cookies before, but I don't make them orange. They're just regular colors. So that kind of freaked me out.
I really love birthday cake flavors, so I like the confetti
Atta
cookies.
girl.
And my least favorite was definitely the dreamsicle orange one, and I really didn't like the chocolate chip cookie.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh,
Un-American.
bold statement.
I know, I know.
I want to know, one, have you been to a Crumbl Cookies? Two, if you have, what are your favorite flavors? What kind of flavors do you want to see us try next? If you like this video, let us know. This was fun.
Happy to try more cookies.
Yes, happy to eat more cookies for you. We had a blast. I hope you had fun. If this video made you smile, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we are about to just go on some crazy adventures and we want to bring you along with us. So I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this week. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.